This is one of the common problem that your phone is started hanging when you're using Snapchat. How can we fix this issue and make our phone very clean that it won't hang or lag while using Snapchat? So why this happen? This usually happen due to the low storage on your mobile phone. There is only two reasons behind that your Snapchat application is lagging only. So if your phone is lagging in any application, like you're using any application and your phone is normally hanging or lagging, so this may be due to your storage and your usage. Firstly, we just have to go on the file manager of our Android mobile phone here like this and go on the phone storage here. You can see there is 12.7 GB of 64 GB is now available in my phone. This is enough storage and my phone is also not lagging right now. So firstly, check that you have enough space on your mobile phone. If do not, just go on the storage option and clear extra storage from your mobile phone. Just make some space free in your phone so that you can use Snapchat very. And after doing all this, you have to go on your Snapchat here, click it for 2 or 3 seconds, go on the application information on your Android phone here like this is my storage usage, click on that and you will find an option called cache clearing. You can just clear your cache from here and now my application all refreshed and I can log in into my Snapchat account and it won't lag again. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you like and we will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you.